orientation is the first aspect that students get to see and get to experience campus life. So us volunteers are here just to pump up the party and to continue to get everyone excited about being on campus starting Monday. We actually purchased an app for the day. It's called Goose Chase, and it is going to have about 35 questions on there for people to dissect the clues that are given to them, and then they have to locate the area, take a selfie with their team. It's about inclusion while getting to know the campus as well.
I did like the scavenger hunt, like kind of seeing all the resources around campus. It was cool, and the random pairing with a bunch of people. I was with a nutritional person, so someone new to meet and run around with.
Scavenger hunt was a lot of fun. I like bringing in a little competition. The most valuable thing was just learning where things are.
Yeah, shout out to the United Bananas dynamic duo right here. Well, for a little bit we divided and conquered some of the things in this building. I guess it was just being quick and making sure to ask for help. We were using our resources really well, I feel like.
The foundation of being a Coug is just the camaraderie with all the other students.
To be a Coug is to just be proud of who you are, proud of the education, and proud of the future you're going to have.